We're talking gun safety this morning, and I'm with champion target shooter Kippy Latham of Springfield Armory. And we are here to answer viewer questions we received on Facebook. Welcome back.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
I'm glad you're here because let me tell you, I've learned so much and great questions from two viewers. I picked them out. Listen to this one. I love this one. Amy from Detroit, and thank you, Amy, for writing us. I've heard that firing a warning shot is a bad idea. Why?
Well, in my opinion, firing a warning shot is irresponsible and dangerous. If you think back to our basic firearm safety rules, Olga, one of them was to know your target, its surroundings, what's behind it. And if you're not certain of your target, don't shoot.
I even remember that one.
It's reason enough.
Okay, another question from Shannon in Portland. Thank you, Shannon. Which firearm is the best for protecting yourself, I should say, from intruders in your home? That's what I want to know.
Well, purchasing a firearm is a very personal and thought-inducing decision. And the two firearms we have here, both of them are unloaded, are from Springfield Armory. I prefer the XDM line. It has a grip safety, a trigger safety, a loaded chamber indicator. Those are all safety features that I personally am looking for in a gun. So that works for me in my environment. And that's what a woman needs to base that decision on, what she needs, what she wants. Some women may want a revolver, a semi-automatic. They may want a shotgun or a rifle for protection, and each has its pros and cons. So you just have to figure out what works for you.
But what I love is when you check out what Springfield Armory has to offer, there's just so much.
There is a variety that you should be able to find one to suit your needs.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you again for another tip.
Excellent.
All right, and again, thank you for writing and giving us all those questions. We want some more questions from you because we'd love to answer them. So if you have any related questions to target shooting, let us know. Visit us on Facebook and The Balancing Act Fans, or you can go always to our website, which is thebalancingAct.com.